This is Jim. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to run you through the trades in the premium newsletter and the premium Forex newsletter. We're along the GBP AUD from over here, way at the low. This has been a monster up move for us. We've held all the way through. I'm holding for more. Now this move here, I've got an indicator I look at that shows we're in peak momentum ground here. And when peak momentum, markets don't make tops on peak momentum normally. I mean, anything's possible, but this market has more to go, and we're holding, so this is going to be a big profit for us. We are in the CAD CHF. We are short. We were long that last one. I think I probably said that. We went short right in here. This one's moving our way. I'll probably be moving the stock to break even fairly quick, so this looks like it's going to be a winner for us. Okay, now we are also, so we're short that one. We're short, or no, excuse me, we're long the EUR GBP. And that one is actually moving against us, so I'm going to show you the ones that aren't working out either. And I might have a stop and reverse trade on this. This still could, we got long right in here, and this could still be a test of the base, and it could still move higher. So I'm not necessarily going to give up on this trade yet, but it will reach a point where I have a turnaround point, and we will go short if we need to. Again, I will have to see how that plays out at the end of the day. So that's the three Forex pairs we're in. The dollar is breaking lower, and a lot of the pairs, EUR USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, those are starting to move. So we're going to be getting in one of those either tonight, tomorrow, or soon. We'll be getting in one of those. So Forex, we got a lot going on in Forex. Stocks, I don't have a lot of stock trades going on, and that is by design, because when the market made the big up move, we were buying stocks like every day. I was giving people choice for trades about every day, and now that the market looks like it's making a little consolidation and it could be getting closer to a top or something, I'm really holding back on the stock trades. So we are long DTLK. I think this is in an uptrend. If it doesn't move our way, we're going to get out of it. I mean, it's just a little nibble we're taking and trying to get long on a good stock. And then another one we're long is CSCO. And I really think that's trade's going to work out. I mean, it looks good. It made a big gap up. Everything looks good. Strong momentum. But again, I don't know. We got long right in here. So just basically right where it's at now, we're long. And then again, if this doesn't work out, we'll stop in reverse or we'll just get out. So we just got a couple little nibbles in right now in stocks, and I'm going to be very cautious on stocks. We really hit it hard on the big move up, and now I'm just kind of trying to get to break even on those, and then we might add. Now we are long USO, that's the crude oil ETF. I'm going to be trading ETFs in the stock newsletter, and we're long this one, and that's moving our way. I actually had a trade to stop and reverse if it went below this pivot point, which it never did. And that's one good thing about my system is I always say you got to have the right entry point, and when the entry point's not hit, the trade's no good. And we were going to go short on a break of this low. It never broke that low, so we're still long. And we're long from a pretty good point over here somewhere. I can't even remember exactly, but right in here we got long. We're probably just a little tiny bit ahead on this trade, but anyway, it looks like it's going to move our way. So that's it in stocks. Okay, now futures. Okay, I did stop and reverse on crude because we were long, and crude actually did hit the stop and reverse point, which USO didn't. Sometimes that happens. And crude is moving against us. We went short like right in here on this bar, and we're just probably, just a little bit behind. Now if crude keeps moving higher, I'm going to stop and reverse to the long side of that. But again, I got to wait to see how it trades the rest of the day. So crude we are just a little behind on, but I still haven't given up on this trade yet. We'll see again how it plays out the rest of the day. Okay, so that is one that we are a little behind on. They're not all winners, and they're never going to be all winners for anybody. And I know it's just one of the things about trading. It's hard to get used to not having all winners. I mean, everybody knows there's not going to be all winners, but yet you still, when you get a loser, it hurts. So I mean, it's just one of the mental things of trading. Okay, lean hogs. Lean hogs. We got long right in here. Look at that. Boom. We're way ahead on this trade. So this is moving our way. And the thing about these trades, when I get long, when I get on the right side of the market, I'll stop and reverse, and when we get long and we get a market moving our way, we're holding it. This looks like it's going to go a lot higher. Now here's the interesting thing about lean hogs, real quick. This is the way I do my newsletter. It's when you got people expecting you're doing a trading newsletter, naturally you want to get them in a trade. And I was looking to go long or short lean hogs clear back in here, and I just couldn't come up with the right trade. And it's hard to be patient. I mean, it's hard for anybody to be patient, but I just couldn't come up with the right trade, and I kept looking. Actually, when it broke up here, we did put a little buy stop up here, and we didn't go long. And when it came down, then I was thinking about maybe going short, and then it made this bar, and then I thought, well, that looks like support. Maybe we'll be going long. And again, I just follow the market. I let the market give me the trade. And then finally, after about 3 months of waiting, um, we got in long here, and this thing's taken off. So that's one thing. Sometimes, if you do decide to take my newsletter, and it takes a while to get a trade, sometimes that's why. It's not that I'm not trying to put out a trade. It's just sometimes the market just doesn't give you the trade, and that's really the best way to trade, even though sometimes it's hard to be patient. Soybeans, we went long right in here. It's going our way. It's down a little today. We have our stop down here, so we're still in this trade and hoping for higher prices. So this is a winner for us. Um, and I have another winner. So we got mostly winners and one that's a possible loser. So I mean, things are going good. I keep saying, I've said it. If you've been following my emails, I've said it before. The trades are going good. We went long oats right above this bar. On this bar here, which was 6.4, we went long oats, and oats is up like 11 cents today. So oats is going our way. And again, here's the thing about this is I think this is going to be a big trade now. I think oats ran into resistance up here. It came down and made a consolidation. I think this is a breakaway to a lot higher prices. So this should be a big trade for us. I have a technique that I use to hold these when they move our way, and I think I can squeeze about the most out of them. So this should be a big trade for us. So please consider signing up for the premium newsletter. This is the kind of trades I'm trying to get you in, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Bye.